Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Today, we are going to learn about top 25 animals with shells. Number 1. Armadillos. Number 2. Turtle. Number 3. Pangolin. Number 4. Snail. Number 5. Clam. Number 6. Oyster. Number 7. Shrimp. Number 8. Scallop. Number 9. Hermit crab. Number 10. Horseshoe crab. Number 11. Anomalocaris. Number 12. Chiton. Number 13. Tardigrade. Number 14. Limpet. Number 15. Crayfish. Number 16. Box turtle. Number 17. Terrapin. Number 18. Gastropod. Number 19. Nautilus. Number 20. Conch. Number 21. Jewel beetle. Number 22. Mantis shrimp. Number 23. Goliath beetle. Number 24. Gastropod sea slug. Number 25. Cowrie. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.